Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. So today we are going to talk about the conditional statement and the comparators. So what is the conditional statement? So conditional statement means, as a name itself we can say there is some condition which is uh, executing, and if the condition is satisfied the statement is getting executed. So basically conditional statements is a block of code that is determined by the execution result, means it can be true or false, and the statement under that condition it can be one or more than one. So let's see here what it is happening here. So basically we are assigning some condition, and if the condition is true, so the statement is getting print inside the true condition, and if it is false, so it is going for the rest of code, another condition, checking the another condition. So we have few conditions statement, conditional statement, like we have if statement, we have if else statement, we have if else statement. So if statement first, if statement, like it is a conditional statement that executes some specific code after execution the if expression is as determined as true. So if the condition under the if statement is true, so it will go for the statement which is under that if condition. And then again we have written some function, any random function, and in that the event that some function, like it, if it is written as true, then the intended block, means the block which is written inside that some function, it will get executed. Otherwise it will return as false, and it will not execute the some function, it will skip that function. Then there is a note, that is means after every statement, the conditional statement, we are assigning the colon. So that is like a scripting, we will come to that in the next tutorial, means how we are going to do the syntaxing of for if else and if elif. So another is else. So else, like it's a complement of the if statement, we can say. So if some condition is true, then it will print some block of code. If the condition like for if is not true, then it will go for the else part. So then it's coming as elif. So elif also is sort like, it is a full form of else if. So when we are going for the checking the more than one condition, so basically first we are checking the if condition and we are assigning some condition there. Just think like that condition is not satisfied and we want to execute another one more condition in that. So we'll go for the if elif. So in that elif we'll assign another another condition, and if that condition is satisfied, it will print the statements inside the elif. Otherwise it will go for the else part directly. Then we are coming for the comparators. So comparators, like it's simply the comparison operators. So we are using these comparators while we are going for comparing the two operands. So we have like equal to, so this is the notation like double equal sign. Then we have like not equal to, we have comparison like symbol like this. Then we have less than, we have less than or equal to, we have greater than, and we have greater than or equal to. So in this video we have just discussed about what is conditional statement and what is the comparators. So in next video we are going to talk about the if conditional statement, and we'll see few examples for the if statement. So thank you.